Alright, good morning. It is 5:10 right now. First light is at 5:20, and there's already some light out here already, so I'm trying to be there early and grab all the waves. Good morning. It looks like I'm the first one out here, and Ben and Tyler are on their way, so we'll have company soon. The right there looks pretty okay. I don't think there'll be any tubes today, based on the looks. But look at that one of the worst paddles out in a while. I was walking for a bit. Boy, it looks terrible to paddle out.